Thank you for watching my presentation video. So my project aims to impart knowledge about environmental architecture to interior design students and discuss how such classroom education can be linked with the community. So let me talk about this project briefly. The mission of Ball State University is to connect Ball State with the community in the city of Muncie. So the phrase "better together" is highly utilized in the curriculum by faculty to have Ball State students actively engage in the Muncie community. So with this idea in mind, we created an immersive learning project that has an immediate impact on the Muncie community and Ball State students. So our interior design students learn knowledge of sustainable principles in the classroom. They explore building energy assessment tools to analyze and evaluate energy consumption for residential and commercial buildings. By applying this knowledge in the community, students will have a better opportunity to measure and assess building energy. Many buildings in the Muncie community need proper insulation, sustainable materials, and more sealed windows and doors to reduce energy consumption. Through a relationship with our community partner, students will help to solve a community challenge of building energy. Students will provide analytical reports of actual buildings that suggest more efficient energy-saving ideas to benefit residents and other stakeholders in Muncie. In this project, students will apply specific energy assessment knowledge, skills, and tools to benefit the community and significantly help future generations to ensure a better environment. So previously, this course was designed for environmental design such as green buildings, LEED, BREEAM, sustainability, and biomimicry. There are still very important elements for this course and interior design students. However, as time goes by, interior design students suffer difficulties with the energy concept and green building designs, as well as the students and educators have not sufficiently communicated energy when a new faculty teaches this course. So many students have knowledge of sustainable method and products, residential and commercial projects, but they are not aware much of how energy works in the built environment. In addition, the instruction with examples of sustainable projects is not sufficient to teach energy-related concepts to the students. So this limitation may result in interior design students not being able to perform properly for environmentally friendly design in green building projects. Therefore, this project challenges undergraduates to master specific energy assessment knowledge, skills, and tools, and engage in real-world opportunities to assess building energy systems in residential settings. So students can actively discuss and determine the method to test energy efficiency and conduct energy assessments in a total of 5 single and or multi-family homes process that include air tightness, heating and cooling, and ventilation. They can develop the content and format of summary reports for each home and determine the most effective method of presenting the final energy assessment analysis to the community partner and homeowners or caretakers. So following initial instruction by the faculty, each student team can develop a plan detailing how to conduct the initial site visit to its home. So these visits prepare the homeowner or caretaker for the energy assessment. So they discuss project goals, energy testing procedures, and strategies, setting the client at ease with the overall process. So this project aims to provide students with a real-world experience doing residential energy assessments. So this is also educational outreach program where both state students will collaborate with residents and organizations in the community. In this project, both state students and community partner, Los Community Center, address local challenges of home energy consumption by conducting energy assessments on buildings in the Muncie community, which will then serve as models demonstrating sustainable design mitigations for homeowners and builders. It also recognizes that aging house stock and the lack of attractive housing in Muncie inhibits readers' goals to improve quality of life and enhance economic development. So this step up toward the rehabilitation of existing homes with attention to sustainable design will inspire homeowners and builders. Also, it will set Muncie apart as a forward-thinking community, combining its legacy, housing, and sustainable future. So through the successful completion of this project, students will expand their knowledge and expertise in their fields and practice in a real-world setting how they interact with architecture, landscape architecture, urban planners, and environmental designers. So, as a result of these hands-on activities, students, homeowners, and community partners will be able to identify, formulate, and solve problems using appropriate energy assessment, knowledge, and approaches, and demonstrate their understanding of major theories, approaches, concepts, and current or traditional research findings in the area of energy assessment. Utilize the techniques, skills, and tools necessary for an energy assessment. Help homeowners or caretakers understand the state of their home energy consumption. Lastly, they can provide a better building environment to the Muncie community through work with community partners and construction experts. So this is one of the lecture slides I usually teach during this course. So most of the interior design students chase beautiful and luxurious designs when they enter this program. So I show these two pictures to the students that one space has a very luxurious and modern design, and the other one is simple and use a lot of daylighting. Also, I teach them if this luxurious modern space has been simulated to reduce building energy, use the recycled materials for furniture, and received sunlight much through that big windows, we can say that it is an environmental design. And for some people, even if the second space is simple, cozy, and environmentally friendly, it could be an aesthetic design as well. So I say that the aesthetically designed space and the environmentally friendly designed space are not much different. So students will participate in the project and learn about design with energy efficiency programs first. After that, students learn building energy and analysis during the first half of the semester. The project kicks off in the second half of the semester with site visits to complete actual energy assessments. Students visit buildings and collect data using building assessment tools, and students can complete the energy analysis report through many group activities both inside and outside of class. For this project, students visit homes in Muncie community and assess the home energy using various tools. First is a thermal camera. Students use these cameras to detect thermal leakage in the houses. Here, students also use the light meter to measure the amount of light in the house. So using this light meter, students can check the light intensity near the windows where daylight is enough, and the corner of the kitchen or a room which is dark. And students also use measuring tapes to record the size of the rooms and house footprints as well as windows and doors. And we prepared the combustible gas sensors for this project, but since this course is for freshmen currently, so we are going to use this when this course is taught by junior years later. However, students can use these portable combustible gas sensors to determine the presence of flammable vapors with either carbon dioxide or an inert gas such as nitrogen. And the most basic but important tool is a safety vest. So students wear safety vests during the site visit for enhanced visibility and to indicate their participation in the project. So this is one of the final projects that I selected from the last semester. So these students visited this red house, and students found leakage gaps or areas using the thermal cameras and measured the size of windows and doors. So they checked stories above ground level, heated or cooled floor area, type of foundation, insulation levels for ceiling, wall, and roof. And while they are checking the windows, they found window types such as single pane, double pane, or triple pane, and types of trims of the windows. Also, they checked appliances and equipment information such as number of washing machines and refrigerators. So they also checked the size and fuel type of a water heater and cooling equipment. Based on the collected information, they did some research about the building energy and started to calculation for the yearly energy consumption in this house. So they estimated annual cost of this house and suggested better energy efficient appliances. They also calculated how much cost the house can reduce when the homeowner upgrades with energy efficiency. So it was so impressive to see all these costs at the final presentation, and they provided how neighborhood can save the energy. So they cannot calculate the energy cost for neighborhood since they couldn't measure them, but they suggested some solutions to reduce energy and let community members know as well. So again, back to my first slide on the lecture in this course, I remind them again at the end of the semester that the aesthetically designed space and the environmentally friendly designed space are not much different. So now I'm watching them grow and hoping their design ideas will become more energy efficient and energy friendly. Thank you.